Welcome to Arivu Informatics. In this video, let's learn what is 2x2 directional control valve in hydraulic systems. Control blocks are used to feed pressure energy to various actuators in hydraulic systems. Pressure energy is nothing but flow of liquid which is generated by the pump of a hydraulic system. These control blocks are known as valves. Valves does three main functions. It controls the direction of liquid flow or stops and allow liquid to flow. It regulates pressure and it controls flow. Direction control valves are used to control direction of flow of liquid. These are also termed as DCV in short term. 2x2 direction control valve is also known by the name two-way valve. The term way is used to mean flow path through the valve including reverse flow. A two-way direction control valve consists of two ports or openings which are generally named by the alphabet P and A, which are connected or disconnected by the moving spool. In one extreme spool position, the flow from port P moves to port A, and in the other extreme position, no flow is allowed from the port P to port A, and the flow stops. Here we can see that it is denoted by the name 2x2 DCV. The first digit indicates number of ports or number of ways. The second digit indicates number of positions. For this, usually there are two positions, one is open and the another one is closed. On the right side you can see the graphical representation of the 2x2 DCV. It contains two blocks. Two blocks indicates the number of positions. In the first left block indicates its open position, which means the liquid flows from port P to port A. In the second block or in the second compartment, you can see that there is disconnections from port P to port A, which means the condition of the valve is closed. Usually it is called normally closed valve because in the initial conditions the valve is said to be closed. And the first digit indicates, as I said, two ports. The port P represents the liquid flows from from the pump, and the port A indicates that it goes to a actuator. Here you can see the constructional details of 2x2 DCV in a 3D view. It is modeled using SolidWorks. 2x2 DCV valve mainly consists of two parts. One is valve body and another one is spool. Spool is generally cylindrical in constructions. One end of the spool is made to actuate it. It can be actuated manually by pressing the spool or by providing roller shaft, or it may be a pedal operated, and it can be a hydraulically operated, pneumatically operated, electrically operated, and by using solenoids we can operate spools to make the liquid flow in order to achieve a desired function. And the other end we have a spring which is connected within the valve body to return the spool back into its original position. Here this animated video clearly shows how the 2x2 DCV valve works. As the spool moves towards left, it blocks the port P and prevents the liquid flow, and the same spool moves towards right by means of actuation. It allows liquid to flow from pump to an actuator. Generally, these 2x2 directional control valves are used vastly in industrial automation applications. Here it is even more clear that in the first diagram, the liquid flows from pump to an actuator through port P and port A when the spool is at right position. And in the second image, in the second diagram, we can see it's a no flow condition. Here spool blocks the port A and prevents liquid flow. These are the two positions, as I said earlier. One is open, which is nothing but flow condition, and another one is normally closed condition. So that's all about 2x2 directional control valve. Thank you for watching our video, and please do subscribe Arivu Informatics for more updates. Thank you.